Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your iCloud storage to 50 gig, 200 gig, 1 terabyte. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to know is you have to change your iCloud's location to the USA. Okay, so in my previous video I did change the iCloud to USA. Okay, yeah, so my iCloud is in the US. Yeah, so let's check and confirm if indeed it's in the US. And also you need to get an iTunes card. Yeah, an iTunes card. Okay, so let's go to payment. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so you check if your iCloud is not in the USA, then you quickly change it to the US. Okay, as you can see here, it says my iCloud is in the US. Okay, yeah, so you can buy your iTunes card from Cartonic, MTC Game, and all those iTunes websites, reselling websites. Okay, so this is the code I'm going to use. So after buying your iTunes, you head over to your app store. Okay, so let me search for my app store. Okay, you launch your app store. When it comes, you tap on your profile. Okay, after tapping on your profile, you come to redeem gift card or code. Okay, so when it comes, it's either you use your camera or you enter the code manually. So you just paste the code you have and tap on redeem and you wait. As you can see, I've redeemed $4 successfully. Okay, so right now I have $4 in my iTunes or my Apple account. All you need to do next is to go to our settings. Okay, we go back. Let me just clear everything so that everything will look fresh. Okay, so after coming to your settings, you tap on your account. Okay, then you head over to iCloud. Okay, you head over to iCloud. As you can see, my storage is full. It's full. Yeah, I was having only 5 gig, and right now it's full. So I have to upgrade it to either 50 gigabyte, 200 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, or any gigabytes at all I need, depending on the amount I have now in my account. So right now I have $4. So let's see what $4 can get me. I think I'm going to aim for the 200 gig. Okay, so 50 gigabytes is 0.99. Yeah, almost $1. Let's say $1. Okay, then 200 gigabytes is 2.99, which is also about $3. 2 terabytes is 9.99, which is also $10. Okay, so we are going in for the 200 gigabytes. Okay, so all you need to do is to select it. After selecting, you tap on resubscribe. I'm seeing resubscribe before because I've already subscribed before. Yeah, that's why I'm seeing resubscribe. But if you're a first time and you see either subscribe or activate, okay, so I'll tap on the resubscribe and I'll wait for it to load. And I'm going to double click to subscribe. Okay, so depending on your phone, the phone you are using, if it's iPhone 6, 7, 8, there you need to tap on your fingerprint to be able to verify. But since I'm using iPhone that supports Face ID, I need to confirm my Face ID. In some cases it might ask you to confirm using your passcode. Okay, so let's just double tap. Okay, so I'm now verified. I'm done verifying. Let's see what comes next. Okay, so welcome to iCloud Plus. As you can see, I've successfully redeemed 200 gigabytes of the iCloud storage. Okay, so let's go back and see if indeed the storage worked. So done. Okay, as you can see, the storage has been changed from the 5 gigabyte to the 200 gigabytes. With so doing, I can back up all my files. Okay, so since my storage got full, I couldn't back up any of my files. Okay, so right now I'll after this video I'll back up all my files so that I don't lose any of the files. Yeah, so that's it. So you can also share it with your friends. Okay, so in case you have a family member or anyone you want to share your storage with. You just head over to this spot and tap on it, and you send the person the link to the person either through SMS or email. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like this video, and give your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.